Hi everyone, so let me show you how to unlock the bedroom door. So kids sometimes they just lock themselves inside a room and then they get stuck, especially if they're very young and you can't explain them what to do. So what you need to do is first, so let's just pretend it's locked, okay, see, it's blocked. Now, what you need to do first is somehow push the key on the other side, let it fall down. You don't need that. What you need is a hex key. Number 3 probably is good enough for this, and a pair of pliers, okay? So you need to push inside here. Pretend it's a key in a lock. Now keep it tight, grab it with pliers, turn it, and see here, it's going in and unblocked, and that's it. Now you can release your kids, they'll be happy, and you can comfort them and explain to them not to do that anymore. That's it. Bye.